Welcome back, nail crew. Welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be doing some shorties. Yup, some little cute short nails. And I'll be also showing you guys how I correct a nail that I put on wrong. But before we get into that, I want to give a hey girl, hey to my nail crew sister, Miss Veronica. You guys drop a hey girl, hey in the comment section below. And Miss Veronica, I need you to do the same, okay? So everybody just drop the hey girl, hey right now. I also want to give a special thank you to Kim. I really don't know who you are and I feel so bad, but Kim sent me $5 to my Cash App just to have a good day. And you know what? I did have a good day, Kim. I did have a good day. So thank you so much. Your Cash App name might be different from your Instagram, YouTube name. So that's why I'm not familiar with whoever you are, but please let me know who you are so that I can thank you personally. All right, you guys. So as mentioned, I'm going to show you guys how I correct a nail that I put on wrong. Oh my gosh. When you put a nail on wrong, you just feel like, oh, it's so frustrating because they're so hard to come off and it's a waste of time. So what I like to do is use a form. So I put on a form and now I'm going to use a dry bead of acrylic to build up the other side of the nail. I'm going to turn it from a hill or like a ski slope nail into a regular square nail. Even if I make it wider than I wanted it to be, I could correct that with filing. But when the nail is shorter or more slanted or crooked, it's very much harder to fix that with filing. So you have to add some product to it. Today I'm using acrylic, but you could also do this with polygel. You could definitely do this with a gel as well. But if you did this with gel, it has to be a really, really thick consistency gel. Otherwise, it's going to run down the form and that's going to be even more frustrating, okay? So as you can tell, I used my dry bead of acrylic and I just patted it into place. And this is what it looks like. I went from having a slanted nail to a nice square nail. All right, so I'm going to do it again so you guys can watch me closely if you didn't pick it up on the first one. So on the pointer finger, it was leaning more to the left, I want to say, and this one was leaning more to the right. And I'm like, what the heck was I doing? What was I doing when I added these two nails? And they were the last ones that I added. So maybe by then we were deep into conversation and neither one of us was paying attention to what was happening. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I am saving you guys the embarrassment. If this ever happens to you and you're with a client, how embarrassing would it be for you to have to take the nail off, put it on? Oh my gosh. And what if you put it on the second time and it's equally as crooked the second time? Oh my gosh. Okay. So let's not put it on and take it off and put it on and take it off. Let's just pull out a paper form and correct it. All right. So now once the acrylic has dried, you guys, you just remove the form. You grab a hand file and you touch up the shape if needed. Now, my square, it looks good, but it could be better. So I'm just going to touch it up. You don't want to go too crazy when filing at this point because the beads of acrylic that you used were so small and thin that if you file too hard, that you might just chip it off, okay? So let's not do that. Just do a small little movement with your hand file and you should be okay. So I'm going to show you guys some of the acrylic that I plan on using today. This one is from a nail sister on Instagram. So I'm showing you guys, please go follow her on Instagram. Tell her, hey girl, hey, support her, you guys. This is a small business, a small company, and all small companies right now, I could tell you, are hurting in some capacity from COVID. So if you guys are trying to spend your money somewhere, please consider shopping with and spending your money with smaller companies, especially small independent companies. You know, if you guys want a list, we could perhaps start a list. If any of my nail sisters or brothers have a list already started with small business owners or small companies, especially like you know, those Instagram boutiques, you know, that are just really trying to make it. If you guys already have a list like that started, send it to me, please, please, on Instagram or my email, and then I'll add to it. And then shoot, we could just keep it going. I feel like that would be really, really supportive, especially going into 2021. All right, so that's enough about that. Let's get into the nails. So I've already prepped off camera. You guys know I have a prep video. The link to that will be in the description box. So I prepped off camera. I prepped the way that I always prep. Like, I don't even think anything's going to change because my nails last for so long. It's like, why would you change? If it's not broke, don't fix it, right? So the way that I prepped in that video is still currently the way that I prep today, and I do that for every set. So I prepped her nails, and now I'm applying the color. These colors are really, really pigmented, so I'm using tiny beads. Also, I'm using small beads because I don't want to bulk up the nail too much. So, and then also the nails are really short. These are short nails, and I haven't done short nails in a while, y'all. Like, for me, my nails, my nails are short. Once I did my nails and I was looking at them, I was like, oh, I really wish I went longer. So imagine now that I'm doing something even shorter, it's like, oh man. So I don't want to mess up. I don't want to add too big of a bead and just screw up the whole set. So I'm going in with tiny, tiny beads. And you know what? That's okay. It may take me a little bit longer, but so what? So what? As long as it looks good in the end, so what? This is a judgment-free zone, okay? When you click on any of these videos that I have listed below, okay? Judgment-free zone, okay? 1 bead or 12 beads, it's all right. It's all right. All right, guys. So the first fingernail, the pinky nail, I did an ombre. I used maybe 4 beads when typically a nail this short, you should be able to do an ombre in like 2 beads. Okay, whatever. But the ring finger, 1 bead, you guys, 1 bead. Watch the third finger be like 12 beads. I'm not even going to count them. Let's not even count them. Let's talk about something else. All right, you guys. So you know I'm nosy. I want to know what you guys plan to do for the New Year's because 2020 sucked ass. 2020 sucked ass, you guys. I'm sorry. It sucked. It was horrible. It was so horrible, literally from beginning to end. Like, you guys, 2020 sucked. So moving into 2021, you guys, please, we need to bring positivity. We need to bring love. We need to bring whatever goodness that you can think of. That's what we need to bring moving into 2021. I cannot have a repeat of this year. I cannot. Oh my God. And oh my God. I was just thinking about it, just replaying some of this year's past events. And it just went from suck to more suck to suckier to suck. And I can't do it again next year. So you guys, let's just vibrate at a higher frequency, get your energy up. Get your positivity up, whatever you got to do, make a vision board, meditate, drink some green tea. I don't know, you guys, we just have to, we have to do better moving into 2021. I can't do another 2020. At some points, I kind of felt like the universe was testing us as a people, you know, like testing to see how much we can handle. And I'm done. Like, I want the test to be over. Like, just give us the results, you know, let us know what we need to do to fix it, please, so we can move on. I don't want to do this again. I don't want to do this no more. I don't want to play no more. I don't want to play this game. I don't want to play this game, please. Can we go back to normal? I want to go out in public and not wear a mask, you guys. I don't want to have to wear it. I don't want to have to not hug people. Like, if I see you, I want to be able to hug you. I don't want to have to bump elbows. Oh my gosh, I don't want to bump elbows anymore. I don't want to pound fists anymore. Like, if I see you and I want to hug you, I would like to freaking hug you. Come on. You guys, this is just not fun. It is not fun for me. It's not on. Oh my God. And God bless whoever actually had coronavirus. You guys that had it and recovered from it, God bless you. You know, oh my God. I know that was a whole horrible situation in and of itself. Not to even mention about the anyway, okay, moving on. Let's move on. So here I am to my last nail. I made it to the thumb, you guys. I got to change the subject because Corona is very depressing. Like 2020 was a very depressing year. Oh my goodness. Ugh. All right. So I don't even know where I'm at in the nails at this point. Oh my God. All right, nail crew, let's continue. So the thumb, even though it's a solid color and you would think, oh my gosh, she did the first solid color nail in one bead, you know, so the thumb should also therefore be a one beader. It took like 4 beads. That's what I'm saying, you guys. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. But at the end of the day, if the nails look uniform and they all look good, who cares about a 1 bead or a 12 bead method, right? All right, so the nails are done and now I am encapsulating. So I'm using the clear acrylic. The clear acrylic is from my website. So speaking of supporting small businesses, cough, cough. I'll leave the link to my website in the description box. All right, you guys check me out. So I'm applying the clear acrylic and I'm encapsulating. Now, normally I speed up the encapsulation part, but I decided to leave all of my acrylic application in real time. Okay, one of my nail sisters said it's very therapeutic to watch a real-time application video. So you're welcome, darling. I am leaving my acrylic in real time. When I watch this video back, if it actually looks soothing and comforting to watch, what I might do is take my voice out, like re-edit the video. Take my voice out, take all the extra clips out and things like that, and just play music in the background. Because I know sometimes you guys just want to watch something, just want to have something playing in the background while you clean your house or while you do homework or whatever the case is. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Let me know what you guys think about that. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think, especially for everybody that says, girl, I love your work. I love you, but you're too loud. First of all, I'm not loud, okay? I'm not loud. I just project my voice very well, okay? I can't help it. But especially for you people, I think you would love the music version. I mean, or you could just turn the volume down. I mean, duh. Like I always, every time I read a comment and someone says, oh my God, girl, you're just too loud. I'm like, well, don't you know where the volume is? Like what? Like you do not even understand how silly you sound when you write something like that, or how silly you seem when you write something like that, because clearly there is a volume button for a reason. You know, I'm just saying. So anywho, yeah, those people will absolutely love the music version, I'm thinking. So yeah, let me know. Leave me a comment below. Let me know if you think it would be worth it, or if not, you know, I just won't waste my time. All right, so as you can tell, I'm applying the transfer foil gel. The transfer foil gel that I'm using is from iGel Beauty. Makartt has some as well. I think Model 1 does as well, but I'm not sure. Plenty companies have transfer foil gel. You just have to find which one, you know, is in your budget and which one works for you. I really do like this one, and this is the one that I grab most of the time. Makartt's is a second for me. All right, so once you apply the gel, you want to cure it for 30 to 60 seconds, just depending on the brand that you're using and the lamp that you're using. Once you fully cure it, it's going to be really, really sticky, and then you could apply your transfer foils, right? I'm not using foils today. I'm using stickers. The back of the stickers are really sticky. However, I find that they're never sticky enough for me. So when you apply the transfer foil gel, it just gives it that extra stickiness so that it stays in place and it doesn't pop up, because that is also very annoying, you guys. You know, when you apply a decal to the nail and then the sides or the corners kind of lift up, you apply your top coat to it and it's still not flat. It always feels like a little raised around the corners. I don't really like that. I don't like that feeling. But I find when you apply transfer foil gel under your stickers, it allows them to lay flatter and more flush to the nail, and the corners don't really lift up as much. And then that way, once you seal it in with your top coat and cure it, you're good to go. So yeah, the transfer foil gel is definitely optional, but it does make life a lot easier. So I applied the gel, I applied the stickers, and they look so good. But of course, I gotta throw in some bling. So we're going to wing the bling like we always do, right? We're gonna wing it. So we start off by applying the bling gel or hard gel. You guys, I always got to say this because I don't want you guys spending money you don't have to spend, okay? The hard gel works just as well, if not better, than bling gel, in my opinion. So I'm using bling gel today because it was a gift, so I'm definitely going to use it. However, hard gel works just as well, if not better, for holding on your stones. Polygel. Polygel is another really good thing you probably already have at home that you could use to hold your stones on, and it will keep the stones on for a really, really long time. So if you don't have any hard gel and you don't have any polygel, and now you're looking for something to hold your stones on, I do think this is a really good option. Creation is a really good bling gel. I haven't had any issues with it. And you can find it on Amazon. So I'll leave my Amazon affiliate link in the description box. Just click it and you'll find this gel there. Now, again, I do want to keep pointing out, if you already have hard gel or you already have polygel, do not spend your money on something you don't need. Like it's the holidays, it's the end of the year. People are like really suffering this time of year because they don't have any funds. I wouldn't purchase something like bling gel if I already had something I could hold my stones on with. You know what I mean? So that's just me. Take it or leave it. Take my advice or leave it. Whatever. Just give it my little 2 cents. So anyway, you guys, let me know what you think about her nails so far. I think they are so cute, even though they're short, and I'm just not into like really short nails. Here's the thing. Every time I practice doing nails, for some reason, I always practice on like a medium to long length. Every time I get my practice hand out and I'm just doing nails, they always end up medium to long length. So I feel comfortable doing medium to long length of nails. But anything outside of that, oh my gosh, like I'm really insecure about it. And I didn't really realize it. Like I didn't really pay attention to it until now. Oh my gosh, I'm really insecure with doing lengths of nails that I haven't practiced. Oh my gosh, I got to do better. So doing short nails, oh my, it's harder for me than doing like a medium or long length. But then also on the opposite spectrum, doing extendos might be equally as hard. Oh my gosh. I got to start practicing doing really short nails and then doing extendo length nails. Yeah, nail crew, that's it. That's what I'm going to do. Yeah, I'm going to have to start doing that. So for my next few videos, like I have a couple videos that are already pre-recorded and things like that. So I got to edit them and post them. So you might see like a bunch of random stuff. But overall, I am going to start posting really short nails and really long nails because I got to practice. I got to get it together. You guys, how am I working on being the best nail tech that I could be, and I'm uncomfortable doing anything that's not medium or long length nails? Oh my gosh. Yeah, I definitely got to do better. All right, you guys. Well, this has been a revelation for me. So... oh my gosh. All right, y'all. I've applied the lotion. Lotion you can find on my website, as well as the cuticle oil. The packaging is different because I'm trying out different packaging, but the cuticle oil itself is the exact same that I sell on my website. So check out my website, link in the description box below, and let's reveal the nails. What do you guys think? I think they're so cute. Just short, just, cute and little nails, people that like short nails. They're cute. Let me know what you guys think, nail crew. Are you a long nail gal, a short nail gal, or somewhere in the middle? Let me know. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.